In this video, I'll show you how to write a viral Facebook post using your phone. Creating a post that gets a lot of likes, comments, and shares is easier when you follow a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and go to your profile or page where you want to post. Tap on the What's on Your Mind box to start creating a new post. Start by writing a short and attention-grabbing first line that makes people curious to read more. Keep your message clear and simple so it's easy for anyone to understand. After that, add a photo or video to your post because visual content usually gets more engagement than text alone. To do this, tap the photo or video option and select the media from your phone. Next, write a caption that connects with your audience. You can share a helpful tip, ask a question, or tell a short story that encourages people to react or comment. You can also add a few relevant hashtags at the end to help your post reach more people. Before posting, read your caption again to make sure it's clear and interesting. Once everything looks good, tap Post to publish it. Your post will now appear in the feed where people can like, comment, and share it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.